as you pursue your 3D animation and visual effects studies with ZICA Nashik. It's important to understand the history and techniques that shaped the field of animation and led to the development and popularity of today's advanced technology. First, traditional animation. This is the original hand-drawn cell animation, where the artist literally has to draw thousands of images on special paper and have them photographed, frame by frame. Before the digital revolution, traditional animation was the norm of the industry, including Disney. Traditional animation is a great skill to have in your arsenal, especially if you particularly enjoy traditional media, color pencils, glass painting, watercolors. The main drawback to traditional animation is that it's a very lengthy process. Second, 2D animation. This is vector-based animation, and has two distinct advantages. It is cheap and easy to access. You need a basic understanding of keyframes and know how to use Adobe Animate CC. Third, 3D animation, computer animation. 3D animation and visual effects are, quite simply, the way of the future. 3D animation operates on different principles, and is more akin to puppetry than traditional animation. For this, you need to learn how to digitally model a character, sculpt it perfectly and give it a skeleton that you can move and manipulate. You'll have to pose the model at certain frames, and then let the computer do the rendering. Why is 3D animation so important to understand? Those who want to break into the industry frankly must master the ins and outs of 3D animation. G has become the norm for all blockbuster animated movies and in certain live-action sequences, which requires a lot of VFX, because of its attention to detail and realism. His is why ZICA focuses on 3D animation and VFX, offering aspiring animators the training they need to develop professional skills. Fourth, motion graphics. This visual effect technique involves moving graphic elements such as text or logos, mostly using software such as After Effects. Works best for those working in the advertising industry or doing multimedia projects, or even designing the opening of film titles. Fifth, stop motion. Stop motion is like traditional animation, except instead of drawing, you have clay models and a set that you have to carefully manipulate to produce animation. Stop motion can also be done with puppets, cutouts, silhouettes and even action figures. In the past, stop motion was used as a form of special effects for live-action films, and has largely been replaced by 3D animation and visual effects work. For aspiring animators, stop motion can be a wonderful medium to make art, on your own terms. Stop motion has its own flavor, which can't quite be reproduced in any other medium, and is extremely labor-intensive, much like cell animation. Understanding stop motion can also unlock a deeper appreciation for 3D animation and visual effects.